Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to our troubleshooting guide for DTC B1140, which stands for Driver's Power Window Position Detect Circuit Malfunction, specific to the Honda Accord models from 2008 to 2012. This error code indicates an issue within the power window system, particularly relating to how the vehicle detects the position of the driver's power window. The important components affected are the power window master switch and the driver's power window motor. The power window master switch is typically located on the driver's door panel, while the power window motor is situated within the door itself, attached to the window regulator. Proper functioning of these components is essential for the power window system to operate smoothly. Troubleshooting this code is crucial for maintaining both the convenience and safety features associated with power windows in your vehicle. DTC B1140 specifically relates to a malfunction in the driver's power window position detect circuit. The power window system comprises several critical components, including the power window master switch and the power window motor. The master switch is located on the driver's door panel, allowing the operator to control all windows in the vehicle. Meanwhile, the power window motor is situated inside the driver's door, directly connected to the window regulator, which is the mechanism that actually moves the window up or down. If the circuit isn't functioning correctly, the system cannot determine the position of the window, leading to a malfunction. Having a clear understanding of these components and their locations is essential for effective troubleshooting and repair. Possible causes for DTC B1140 include several components that could be malfunctioning. One major suspect is the power window master switch itself, which can fail over time due to wear or internal issues. Another potential cause is a failure within the power window motor. If the motor is faulty, it won't properly send the position signal to the control unit. Additionally, wiring issues such as breaks or short circuits within the wire harness might prevent proper communication between components, thereby resulting in the DTC. Each of these factors needs to be examined during the troubleshooting process to ensure a comprehensive analysis of the problem. Understanding these causes will guide you in the right direction while diagnosing and rectifying the issue. When dealing with DTC B1140, you might observe several symptoms indicating trouble in the power window system. Firstly, the driver's power window may become completely unresponsive. The switch may not react when pressed, leading to frustration and lack of convenience. Alternatively, the window may exhibit erratic behavior, such as moving inconsistently or being unable to stop at the intended position. Additionally, the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS, may indicate this DTC along with any other relevant codes, which can provide further insight into the issue at hand. These symptoms can help you determine whether the power window circuit is indeed affected and guide you through the subsequent steps of troubleshooting. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1140 is to clear the diagnostic trouble codes using Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS. Clearing the DTC ensures that you're working with a clean slate and not interpreting past errors that may no longer be relevant. This step is crucial, especially if multiple DTCs are being reported, as it allows you to focus on current issues. After clearing the DTCs, proceed to the next troubleshooting step as outlined. It's important to understand that proper use of the HDS, which is a specialized diagnostic tool, will help you effectively clear and recheck codes to identify and address faults accurately. This foundational step is a critical part of the troubleshooting protocol. After clearing the DTCs, the next action is to turn the ignition switch to the lock position and then back to on, which is position 2. This process resets certain electronic systems, including the power window control unit. Proper module initialization is vital as it can resolve minor glitches that may have triggered the DTC without any definitive hardware failure. This step helps ensure that all systems are properly reset and ready for diagnostic checks, enhancing the accuracy of subsequent steps. Following the ignition reset, it's important to execute the next steps in the troubleshooting procedure to fully diagnose and address the issue at hand effectively. In Step 3, you are required to manually open and close the driver's power window utilizing the driver's switch. This action is essential for checking if the window operates correctly beyond the digital diagnostics. Manually controlling the window can help diagnose mechanical issues that could complicate electronic problems. For instance, if the window doesn't move at all, it might indicate a physical blockage, motor failure, or other mechanical faults. This hands-on testing will provide you clarity on whether the initial diagnosis of DTC B1140 holds true based on the window's physical operation. After performing this step, it will be necessary to check for DTCs again to assess any changes presented by the system. The objective of Step 4 is to check for any DTCs again using the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS. This check will reveal if the system still registers DTC B1140 or if any related codes, such as B1125 or B1126, have emerged. If these latter codes appear, it indicates that additional issues may need to be addressed separately. Finding new DTCs could potentially alter your troubleshooting path, making it essential to keep a close eye on the diagnostic data. If no new codes appear, it could suggest the previous problems have been resolved. This crucial step in the diagnostic process provides valuable information that needs to be assessed before moving forward. The fifth step involves resetting the power window control unit, which is a critical action to restore proper functioning of the power window system. Resetting this control unit can help recalibrate how it communicates with various components, especially if prior issues have been corrected. This step helps eliminate any erroneous signals the unit might have retained, allowing it to read the system status more accurately. To ensure proper execution of this step, follow the manufacturer's guidelines, as incorrect resetting could lead to persistent issues. After the reset, you will proceed to check for DTCs again, an essential follow-up to validate the success of the reset and ensure that the system is operating correctly. In Step 6, you once again utilize the HDS to check for any stored DTCs after the power window control unit has been reset. It's essential to see if DTC B1140 is still indicated in the system. If the same code persists, it indicates that the underlying problem remains unresolved and points towards further physical inspection. Conversely, if the DTC is no longer present, it suggests that the issue may have been successfully cleared, thereby restoring functionality to the power window system. This step serves as a measurement of the effectiveness of your previous actions, confirming whether adjustments resolve the malfunction or if additional troubleshooting steps are necessary. If DTC B1140 is still indicated, the seventh step emphasizes substituting a known good power window master switch to continue diagnosing the issue. The master switch plays an essential role in controlling the power windows, and its failure can result in the symptoms being faced. By replacing the suspected faulty switch with a working one, you can effectively isolate whether the issue lies within the switch itself. This troubleshooting approach fosters an understanding of component interactions and helps ensure that time and resources are not wasted in addressing non-issues. After substitution, you'll need to manually operate the power window again using the driver's switch to confirm system status. Another manual operation of the driver's power window using the driver's switch is called for in Step 8, following the substitution of the master switch. This step is crucial as it helps to determine if the substitution of the master switch resolved the issue associated with DTC B1140. If the window operates normally, it indicates that the original master switch was faulty and has been effectively replaced. Conversely, if the window still does not respond appropriately, it suggests that the problem lies elsewhere, possibly with the power window motor or another component in the circuit. This stage is about confirming the success or failure of your previous troubleshooting step. Always ensure to collect diagnostic data during this testing for a thorough review later. The final troubleshooting step involves checking for DTCs again with the Honda diagnostic system post-manual operation of the power window. This is a decisive moment where you can evaluate the effectiveness of your previous steps. If DTC B1140 reappears, it leads to the conclusion that the driver's power window motor is likely faulty, making it necessary to replace the driver's door regulator, as that motor is integrated within that assembly. Alternatively, if DTC B1140 does not return, it indicates that the door multiplex control unit is the issue, necessitating a replacement of the power window master switch or further investigation of the 4-door, 2-door variants based on your vehicle model. Each step in this final analysis is integral to ending up with a successful repair. In the final repair verification stage, you will want to confirm that the power window operates correctly after repairs are completed. It's paramount to check the window's functionality by operating it several times to ensure everything is working as intended. If any DTCs are still present after procedures, you might need to reset them again using the HDS, reinforcing that a successful repair has taken place. Verification should involve checking for normal window operation, ensuring there are no unusual noises or resistance when the window is moved. Adjustments may need to be made if the window does not operate as expected, and a thorough re-diagnosis could be required to fully resolve any remaining issues. For preventive maintenance related to the power window system in Honda Accord models, it's advised to conduct regular inspections to catch any issues early. Periodically check for debris or obstructions that might hinder window movement. Keeping the power window switches clean and free of debris will also help maintain their functionality. Look for signs of wear or failure in the wiring and connectors associated with the power window assembly. Regular maintenance can significantly prolong the lifespan of the components and reduce the likelihood of encountering DTC B1140 or related issues. Emphasizing preventive checks ensures that you keep your power windows operating smoothly for years to come. To conclude, DTC B1140 highlights a malfunction in the driver's power window position detect circuit, requiring a thorough understanding of the components involved and their functions. Following the troubleshooting steps closely is crucial. Whether it's manually operating the system or checking for DTCs with the HDS, each phase builds upon the last for effective diagnosis. Understanding the possible causes and symptoms allows for a focused approach to identifying the issue. Also, don't overlook the importance of routine maintenance to ensure long-term reliability of your power window system. By keeping a watchful eye on these components, you ensure that minor issues do not evolve into larger, more costly repairs. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.